Before I start, let me share with you something that my parents told me when I was a kid. Son, your passion is your power. Your passion is your courage. Your passion can change this world. Find your passion. 29 years into this life, and I can proudly say that water is my passion. And with the skills that I have learned as a civil engineer, I am destined to bring a difference into the lives of millions. Namaste everyone, my name is Rajan Jha. I am a water resource engineer. I am working with ARCADIS in Richmond, Virginia, and I am the new face of A.M.ASCE 2016. And this is my story. I was born and brought up in a small town of India called Korba. I did my elementary and high school from Delhi Public School in India, where I was greatly inspired by my teachers to pursue engineering as my career. In 2009, I graduated as a civil engineer from Punjab Engineering College in Chandigarh, India. During my undergrad, I developed a strong interest in water resources and designed a flowweir and gravity channel for a village as my final year term project. After finishing my bachelor's, I started working as a project engineer for the largest engineering firm of India called Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. I was the project coordinator and supervisor of 250 megawatt thermal and hydropower plant project in Bihar, India. In 2011, after working for 2 years, I came to Virginia Tech for pursuing my master's degree in water resources. At Virginia Tech, I was mentored by renowned professor Dr. Panos Diplis, who is currently the head of civil department at Lehigh University. Under his guidance, I was able to develop a new river classification system and design guidelines on flow control structures. His influence into my life has been so strong that I have been able to write several research articles and have received more than 3 graduate research awards. I have been a part of ASCE since 2011, when I first came to Virginia Tech. I was a board member of the Environmental and Water Resource Committee of ASCE at Virginia Tech. In 2013, when I moved to Richmond for my new job, I founded the first Environmental and Water Resources professional chapter of Virginia. In these past years, my team and I at EWRI have been greatly involved in organizing seminars, stream cleanup activity, and young professional events. 2 years back, as a part of an EWRI initiative, I and my other colleague started with a concept called Water Alive. Water Allies is an initiative to bring the information of all the non-profits working in the sector of water and sanitation under one portal. Currently, I'm also serving as the first Vice President of ASCE Virginia region, and my experiences have been incredible. I'm responsible for region's website, newsletter, and state scholarship for students. In 2014, my desire to be involved in a community development program led me to be a part of the Engineers Without Borders Central Virginia chapter. I am currently serving as the co-chair of the chapter, and we have been able to provide mentorships to 3 different student chapters on their projects based in Guatemala, Uganda, and Dominican Republic. I am also serving as one of the program managers and planning, monitoring, and design lead for a water supply school project based in Zambia. We have been able to design a 20-feet well that can now access deeper aquifer for that school area. It's been more than 2 years since I joined ARCADIS as a water resource engineer and consultant. At ARCADIS, my work mainly involves in designing and execution of stormwater projects and sewer rehabilitation program for Washington Suburban Sanitary Commission. I've also been able to use my GIS and hydraulic skills to access flooding for different watersheds within North Carolina and Virginia counties. I'm greatly thankful to my team at ARCADIS, especially Roger, Valerie, Chris, and Marilyn, who have encouraged me to be what I am today. In the end, I just want to thank my family, especially my parents, who have been such great achievers, and also my brother, especially Amit, who has been such a great inspiration to me. To all the future prospective engineers, I just have one thing to say, that please find your inspiration. Your inspiration can come from anyone, be it a senior, a junior, your parents, your family, anyone. Because when you find your inspiration, you do find your passion. And when you find your passion, you find your courage. And that is what will make you stride really high into this life. This is Rajan Jha. Thank you so much.